Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Science e-learning class. Students, today we will continue with our lesson 1 of history, periodization. In the previous section, we learnt about medieval period, its parts and different names of our country. In this section, we will focus on sources of the medieval period. Students, there are two types of sources of this period: literary sources and archaeological sources. First comes literary sources. Literary sources refer to the written records of the past. In this period, paper was introduced, so many people wrote about the events which occurred in this time period. The people in the court of kings, called chroniclers, wrote about the kings and their rule. Example: Kalhana's Rajtarangini, Tughlaqnama by Amir Khusro, Baruni's Tarikh-e-Firozshahi, and many others. Further, many people wrote their autobiographies. Example: Firoz Shah Tughlaq wrote Futuhat-e-Firozshahi, Babur wrote Babarnama, Jahangir wrote Tuzuke-Jahangiri, etc. Also, biographies were written by other people which described the king's rule and his life. Example: Prithviraj Raso written by Chand Bardai, Humayunama by Gulbadan Begum, Akbarnama by Abul Fazl, etc. This period also witnessed the Bhakti and Sufi movements which gave rise to religious literature and regional literature which were easily read by the locals. Also, the accounts of foreign travelers who visited India give us a detail of medieval period. Example: Al-Baruni, Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo, and accounts of many other travelers. Next comes archaeological sources. These are the remains left behind by our ancestors which are excavated to read history. Example: monuments, gold and silver coins, pottery, jewelry, etc. The study of coins is called numismatics. Inscriptions are writings engraved on hard surface like stones, pillars, metal plates, etc. and their study is called epigraphy. Next comes artifacts. These are pottery, jewelry, seals excavated from different historical sites. Paintings also give us a view of medieval period. Example: the miniature paintings. In last, we focus on the features of medieval period. The period saw the rise of Rajputs, Sikh and Marathas. There was a three-parted struggle: the rule of Delhi Sultanate and the Mughals, and India's wealth attracted the Europeans. Now your chapter ends here. We studied in this chapter the different literary and archaeological sources. Students, read your text thoroughly and do the bookwork and question answers in neat handwriting in your notebook. Bye-bye.